Hi to all my awesome friends and family. I just thought I would let you know I'm having a new special shout out today for a special granddaughter and a special great granddaughter. My granddaughter, actually one video, has over 200,000 views. Can you believe that? Over 200,000 views. And she's been working her channel for a year. I would love for you to go over and check her channel out. Give her some love and support. Please, would you do that for me? Now, I'm going to show you how many views I have on my channel for 7 years. Well, this is what I've done in 7 years. I have 152,357 views. And I did get 6.5 thousand watch time. Hope I said that right. And I've managed to collect 2,700 followers. Now that doesn't mean that I have 2,000.7 followers following me every day. That just means that's what someone's clicked onto my channel at one time in 7 years. And 6,000.5 hours has been, that's for 7 years. That isn't for 1 year. I still haven't got watch time. I'll show you what I have for 1 year in just a second. And here's my granddaughter. In about a year's time is already zoomed past me. This is what I've done in 1 year. 75,494 views. Watch time is 3,300 in a year. In a year, my granddaughter has gotten over 200,000 on just one video, not counting what she's done on all the others. Oh my gosh, she's on fire. Go over and check her out and see what she's doing on her channel. Grandma's going to have to really step up her game if I'm even going to come close to catching up with her. Please go check out my wonderful granddaughter and great-granddaughter. And I'm going to show you some clips from her channel.
Hello, my name is Elissa Hires and I am Grandma Sandy's granddaughter. And I have a TikTok account and my TikTok name is PalePrincess25. And I basically do like mom content and like cute little videos with my nephew and my daughter, and I do like a lot of learning videos and activity videos, and sometimes I post videos about Montessori type style parenting. And basically Montessori type parenting is like not a lot of loud flashy toys or toys. Every toy has a purpose and learning, and it's just based off of letting the child learn in a way that is natural for them. And also it's just, it teaches them independence, and it teaches them, I recently had a video go viral, 202K views, which is a lot. I wasn't expecting it. It happened like overnight. I was getting like tons of followers and likes, and it was just like a huge boost to my confidence, and it made me feel like I'm doing a really good job at being teaching my daughter and my nephew. And I just love making mom content videos that I would really appreciate if any of Grandma Sandy's followers, Grandma, if you guys have TikTok's account, if you can follow me, and if you like mom content or just cute content, like I have a lot of cute videos of like my nephew sleeping with my daughter and they're like best friends, and it's so cute. And I also have like videos of them cooking and videos of them playing with their toys, and it's just, if you like that content, I would appreciate it if you would follow and like and just follow me on this journey. Thank you.
Please go check her out.
And Grandma,
What?
tell them how cute are your grandkids, all of them.
I have beautiful grandchildren, and I have wonderful great-grandchildren.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought, no flow, rain wasn't pouring down. See, that pain was all around, see, my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn, flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge, I'ma kill everything.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Morning when I wake and the sun is coming through. Oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with you.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend.
Videos, you get cool bloopers. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, babies.
I don't think I like that one.
You know you like it, Grandma. And we got this cool dancing fairy to say adios. Blow kisses,
Bye-bye
Grandma.
now, guys.
Mwah. Ta-ta for now.